So, ayun, andito na kami. Ito yung nirent na place ng aking mga. Gusto niya nakadikit sa dada niya. Nakaupo kami doon. Iyak siya ng iyak. Ayun, o, tingnan nyo. They're very dada's girl. Get out. Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. So today is the 13th of August and we are on our way sa Cape Cod. Kasi nga kagaya nung na-mention ko dun sa aming mga previous video, ito ang aming huling hirit sa tag-init for this year. Aming last summer getaway for the year 2024. Kasi nga isi-celebrate namin ang 38th birthday ng aking mister sa Massachusetts, sa Cape Cod. So, syempre, isasama namin kayo doon. Ano ngayon? Sobrang aga pa. Ang usapan talaga namin is 3 AM kami aalis papunta doon sa Cape Cod. Kaya lang, syempre, hindi natupad. Dahil madami kaming masyadong ginawa, inasikaso. So, ano na ngayon? 4:43. Magfa 5 AM na. Nandito pa kami sa place ng aking mga in-laws. Yung mga in-laws ko nauna na doon sa Cape Cod. Nag-rent sila ng buong bahay. Yung aking mga in-laws, mag-stay sila doon ng 1 week. So, nandun na sila no Saturday pa. So, hanggang Saturday sila doon. Tapos kaming family, si Mr. ako and si Zeta, ngayon lang kami pupunta, Tuesday. And then, babalik na rin kami ng Thursday. So, parang 3 days, 2 nights lang kami. Kasi nga si Love, kailangan niyang bumalik sa work. So, ayun, samahan niyo po kami today. So, ito na nga. Si Love, nakapag-drive na siya ng mga, is it 1 hour, Love? Have you driven 1 hour or more than 1 hour? 1 hour. Yeah, so 1 hour. Ito kasi ang ginamit namin CRV ng kanyang, ng aking father-in-law. Kasi para magkasya yung mga gamit namin kasi maliit yung, yung pula niyang kotse, yung GTO, Tapos, nagkaroon ng problema. What's the problem of the car?
The muffler fell off.
Ayun, so ayun. Kaya ang ingay, biglang umingay. Kaya ang gagawin namin ngayon, babalik kami. Babalik kami doon sa aking mga in-laws. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin namin, kung yung red ba o yung pickup truck. Pero most probably yung pickup truck. Kasi hindi nga kakasya yung mga gamit namin. Sayang ang aming pagising ng maaga. Pero ganun talaga. Kasi naman dali namin to. Ano daw yun? Parang almost 3-hour drive. 2 hours and 45 minutes. So babalik na lang kami at magpapalit ng sasakyan. Ayun, may tayo. Aperya for today's video. Pero okay lang yan. Ganun talaga. Hindi naman natin may iwasan. So ayun, see you later. So time check, 7:42 AM na. Pabalik pa lang kami ulit ngayon sa Cape Cod. Kakaalis lang namin dun sa place ng aking So, ayun, andito na kami. Ito yung nirent na place ng aking mga in-laws. So, ito yung place na nirent ng aking mga in-laws sa loob. Ito yung dalawa. Ito yung pinakang living room nila. Ayan, si Zira and dada niya. Tapos dito sa labas ay merong sliding door. Ay, keep slider closed and windows open on the porch. So, hindi pala pwede buksan yan.
I don't think they say please. They say please keep.
Yeah.
More like a demand.
Tapos meron siyang upstairs. Ito. Merong taas. Kaya pa dito sa taas. Ito ang isang bedroom. Yan. And then isa pang bedroom dito. Ayan siya. And ito ay bathroom. Ito ang view dito sa taas. So, yun, balik na tayo dun sa baba. So, ayan na si Zira. Pinapakailam niya yung mga CD. Ano ba yun? CD ba yun? DVDs. Baby, ah. Medyo malamig dito. 21 degrees Celsius. Tapos naka-on pa yung air conditioner. Go.
Well, we were trying to leave early, and then the muffler fell off my father's car that we were borrowing. And so we had to turn around and drive an hour back. So that was 2 hours driving for no reason. And then we were too late to beat traffic. So we had to go around traffic. But it was nice because I got to drive the GTO, which is good. So it's not so bad. The GTO was jealous. And so it cast a spell on the other car to break its muffler. Yeah.
So, yun. Nasayang yung pagising namin na maaga. Pero okay lang. At least, andito na kami. Dumating kami before 10 a.m. What can you say about it, please?
I have no idea where we are.
No, this rental home.
It looks like it was decorated in the 80s, which is nice because it reminds me of my childhood. This is what everywhere looked like when I was a kid. It's like a time capsule.
Yeah, maganda siya. Ano? Very cozy.
Okay.
Zira. Oh, yes, baby. Likod na ni Zira. Wow!
How cute. Oh my goodness.
Stand up! Oh no! Stand up! Oops! That's okay, stand up.
Here we go. A little bumpy here. Clear the path.
So, ayan si Zira. Nag-enjoy siya dito sa yard. Tapos sabi ng aking mother-in-law, ang rent daw nila dito sa place na to, parang siyang Airbnb. Pero kakilala kasi nila yung may-ari. For 1 week, $1,700. Which is, I think, not bad. Kasi ano, ang lapit niya dun sa beach. Tapos nag-ano sila, nagbubuha sila ng mga clams. Mamaya, magaganong kami, tsaka crabbing naman. Siyempre, isasama namin kayo, di ba? Dapat lagi kayong kasama. Kung nasaan kami, dapat andun din kayo. And by the way pala, kung napanood yung isa naming vlog, yung pinuntahan naming bahay, hindi namin siya nakuha. Pero okay lang, hanap na lang ulit ng iba. Kasi hindi naman din kami nagmamadali. Ayan na si baby. Baby Shing Shing natin. Baby Shing Shing. Si Richie, tinatanong ako, bakit daw Shing Shing ang tawag ko? Wala lang, naisip ko lang. Crabbing.
Bill says they let go a lot when it's like this. Sunny, real sunny. Because I just felt one on there today. Kind of let go. Yeah, turtles have they're a little bit ballsy.
Paghuli mo ng crab, merong manok. Karne ng manok. Yung aking mga in-laws.
Let's run up in the car, check. That blue measure. If it don't find it, there's a scale.
Ayan, hinahuli nilang isang crab. Kailangan i-measure daw para make sure na within sa required laki ng crab. Gusto niya ang dada niya kung maghawak sa kanya. Nagkakarabing nga yung dada niya. That is girl talaga ito.
Wait.
The crabbing family.
Everybody on the internet is gonna complain about her life vest situation.
Whatever. Okay lang yan. Kasi ayaw niya magsuot ng life vest. Umiiyak siya. Dito lang naman kami. Nakaupo lang kami. Gusto niya nakadikit sa dada niya. Nakaupo kami doon. Iyak siya ng iyak. Ayun, o, tingnan nyo. Very dada's girl. Grabe. Meron yata nahuli si Mr. na crab. See?
Hey Dad, I got one too.
Okay. Nice and gentle.
Don't jump me that bad. More stupid fish. How am I the only one to get a thorn stuck in my foot?
Nothing?
No.
False
Just the
alarm.
weight of the piece of chicken.
False alarm. False alarm.
Ma, what
pala.
about you?
Is there? Is there something? Ayun yung aking mother-in-law. Love! Careful! So, i-check natin kung meron huli ang aking mom-in-law na crab.
I had a turtle.
Wala pala. Pagong daw pala. Turtle.
Okay, so they have a VHS television with the VCR included in the television. And we're watching this VHS video. Austin Powers.
Nakauwi na kami galing dun sa crabbing namin. So bukas ulit, iba namang activity. Tapos tingnan nyo yung TV nila.
Show them the TV.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo yung TV nila. Very old school. Ayan yung TV. Diba? Box type pa. Pero nakakatawa. Kaya kasabi nila pang ano talaga, pang 80s. So, ayun lang, magpapahinga na kami. Tapos bukas ulit. Thank you so much po for watching our video. And thank you so much for supporting our YouTube channel, Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye.